Guess what? So Waveform, right? They make the cellular antennas for the T-Mobile, and I'm sure they make it for everybody that has cellular antenna. So they have on their site buffer boat internet speed test. So what it's supposed to do is supposed to start. So we're gonna start the test. So actually, let me get this in a mode where we can all see it. Okay. So we're gonna start the test. Okay. It was designed for routers, best routers that don't have no bloating. Buffer bloat. So I'm gonna run it here. And this is the I was trying to run it on the fiber. I got high speed. This is a T-Mobile now running here. So then it gives you a score. There was a site called Octane 2, and that would tell you how fast your network was running by running it's like, I think Linux background uh, devices. But lately, everybody's getting slow speeds of the T-Mobile and the AT&T Air and Verizon's cellular. Well, what I know what's going on with the cell towers, or when they get rid of them and put up these mini ones. So what does it say here? In plain English, download speed is 1.138, upload speeds 10.5. Really bad upload speeds, and we still don't have the 5G AR. This is gonna rate this as an F. I try to switch to the fiber. See, it rated as an F. You see it? Your legacy increased sincerely under load. 41 ms download activity as 3.6 ms. No, they don't have to tell me. I know what it is. So let's go to connected to the fiber. And run this test again. If it'll allow me, because it's weird. So well, let me run the test again. Let's see. Wow. So we'll have to run. Shoot, that's crazy. SD made. So I'm gonna run SD made to clean anything in the background. Run it again. It's asking me to delete the file. Delete. Okay, everything's cleaned. Yeah, you have to. This is Linux. You still have to clean Linux. I don't know what to tell Android, whatever you want to call it. You have to clean it. It's fragmented. As a developer, I used to develop on the Linux. I used to write the code. It's very fragmented. The code, they have dirty code. Dirty code is badly written code. It's really bad, and nobody wants to talk about that stuff. It's like, shh, don't talk about it. Keep quiet. Yeah, that's the whole thing with that. Let me see. It won't let me out of it. Let me close it out. All right, I'm gonna pain in the neck. This is. Okay, let me make sure I'm in fiber. Okay, I'm in fiber. It's strong. Let's run the test again. See how it does. It crashed with fiber. I was wondering why it would crash. And fiber isn't it designed for speed? Upload ms. See, download speed. Come on, you can do it. I see it's getting hot too. So the next one is the upload speed. This thing is not using it's using Intel processor, Intel chipset, but it's not using the Intel Pro set. It uses a Meritech. And how do you find that out? It's very easy. I can get there and show you. Okay. Oh, we're gonna A. Look at that. Wow, we're gonna A. Your legacy increased slightly under load. Legacy gaming load. Yeah, but we're not using this for gaming. But I got an A plus. You see, the other one got an F. So T-Mobile got an F. To go in here, where did I put those settings? Okay. So you have to type Chrome, colon, the two dots, backslash is this way, / 2 slashes, and system. And you can get into this, where you can look and see what's happening. And then there's another screen where you can configure and turn things off. And to improve your buffering. Let me see something here. It's called... It's I something. Let's see. Or L. I'll find it. Oh, here we go. Because there's no way to tell what the heck this thing has. Everything's like hidden, you know. Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. See, it's ISPCI. It lists all PCI devices. It should be this one. Wait a second. Not that. Okay. So you have to click on let me see. Okay. That's right. I can zoom. The touchscreen comes in handy. Well, so you're looking for this one here? Right there, the one underlined. That's ISPCI expand. The host bridge is Intel. Intel Adel Lake N UH drivers. USB controller is Thunderbolt 4 controller. Intel host controller. Intel is all Intel until you get down to the network, and that's the thing. So the network controller is a MediaTek Corp NT7921 802.11ax PCI Express wireless adapter. I think it's garbage because it gives nothing but problems. For some reason, this wants to jump off and use a T-Mobile, and I said, "Do not use a T-Mobile." And you said, "Well, why don't you just forget it?" Then it don't work. It's great. Network health snapshot. Oh, I took a snapshot of the health. Oh. What's this say? Well, this is Linux. So Chrome OS is Linux. So Google came out a way to get people to get all this stuff, right? To get it cheap. Because well, they're not cheap. They were selling these for like $600. These like ultra thin, right? They're heavy though. Like bottom heavy here. Right here is really heavy. I don't know what the heck that's in here. Right here, oh, here, the battery. Well, it has vents. You can open it up, but there's not much you can do in there. There's no hard drive. It's gonna be one of those NVMe, one of those cards, memory cards, or not? No, because the girlfriend's her version, her laptop. I took it apart. She had a PCI, a mini PCI, PIC. It was it looked like a Wi-Fi card. It actually was a 512 gig in there. I took it out. She had another laptop. I don't know, something happened with that. I don't know what happened to it. It just stopped working. I don't know. So I took it apart and then took out what was in there. Ooh, what's going on here? Mm-hmm. I got one of these you turn your iPad into a laptop. I could not sync the iPad with it because the instructions said press the C button, press the C button to connect. No, you have to press function C to connect, then it works. But it don't work right. I don't know what to do with it too. This is a magnetic mount. Well, this is old. This is an old one. But hey, it works, right? So magnetic mount. It's pretty neat if it works, right? Okay, I was just trying to see something. Okay, this comes up a clever design. I mean, sure, I should be able to use it on another device. I have two of these from two different companies. This one is they're pretty smart here. So they got this clamp here, right? And what it does is, which is kind of silly, you can rotate the screen, and so you can use the iPad like this in a vertical mode. I thought that's pretty neat. But what dawned on me, we could use it on the other one I have that actually works, because it's not based on that. I can use this. This keyboard won't be black though. I don't know what I do with it. It's kind of weird. I was trying to get it to work with the Mac OS. I got it to work, but it's weird, like it doesn't want to work. So it will look like this. So you turn this into a laptop. It comes in built-in mouse, Bluetooth mouse. But it doesn't want to work right. I wonder what I did with it. That's kind of weird. Oh, here it is. So to turn it on. Wait, is it okay? It's on. Out of the box, it's fully charged. Looks like that. Can you change the color of the keyboard? I have no idea. I have to read the instructions. It says here it can work with Windows, Android, and iOS, which is this. Everything's magnetic, so everything kind of clicks. So it looks like this. I have to log into this. I think I have it turned off. Well, it's designed for the newer ones. I have to wait for it to boot up. So basically, this is your keyboard. You can use it with your iMac. So you have your mouse and everything. I'm still waiting for the boot up. Yeah. So we'll have another video on what we're talking about here. But we're just I'm gonna show you this stuff here. There's something else we're gonna talk about. I don't want to put everything on one video, then get confused, right? Just stick to the topic at hand. Yeah. So yeah, it looks like this, and this is the mouse. See the mouse? It's very small. I don't know if I can change the mouse size. All right, so I'm gonna launch one of my DAWs. I'll bring this down closer, and you can see. I don't want you to see my hand. Oh, let's have belly out. Yeah, I got stuff from the other show. All right, let's see if I can show you here. So, here's the mouse. You see the mouse moving? Okay, so let me turn this on. Well, this is touchscreen. Hey, this was nuts. Well, I'm down here. It's not really much to it, though. I mean, I have a whole bunch of this stuff. It was fun to play around with. That's all this is, really. I mean, it's not the best. So, it's like one of those little modules. Hold on. I have to hit the escape key to get out of that thing. I got a whole bunch. I grabbed some off the Play Store. Oh, no, not the Play Store, the Apple Store. Let me see if I have more. Let's see what I got in this. Oh, we got this already. I won't go back to that. And then I can click on this. I don't know if you can see. I've got something called 901 drums. No, not that. Oh, here we go. So, supposed to play. Try to write up a tune into it. There's a volume control on this. All right, here we go. Play. And you can change the different settings. I think this one was free. Now, you know what you can do with this? You got a little module. You plug it into whatever it is you got. Say you had let me bring it up. Well, say you had actually I don't really need to put it in this. It was just a show. Say you got a Bluetooth device and you connect it to anything. Some stuff I had to buy because some stuff I mean like this thing I got this wave thing. But if I want to transcend this, oh, so you have different patterns. The mix. So you would have this sent to your studio gear. You could send it to a regular stereo amplifier, but it won't sound the way you want it to sound. You got drums. Then you can change the synchronizer and start and change it. It's not bad. You can do a lot with this one. Huh. See, that's if you want to make music. Make music on an iPad is very hard. You know, it might look easy. Uh-oh. She came up. Go away. That's Siri. I'll get rid of it. Get the iPad dirt cheap. You can do a lot of stuff. I ordered a stand for this to bring it up so you can see it. Okay, you can't see it like it is here. It's too low. And these things are like, I think it's like a toy. It don't really work. This thing is hooked up to the fiber. We'll do a series on the Mac and what I think of it. I think some people have done it before. The transition from Windows to the Mac. Is it worth it? Can you do everything in it? It's a different ecosystem. But I was trained for Apple Care, and I came from Windows and Android, which is Linux. And I was the only one in the class that wasn't into the iPad. A friend of mine, well, he got me this. He said, "What do you need?" I don't have no iPad. I have nothing. How am I going to make the classes? Because you need to know. You know, at that time they had the Apple Watch and all that stuff. I had no idea, nothing about that stuff. And I had my first caller, and she was talking about something about iMusic. She said she couldn't get it to work. I have no clue she was talking about. Today I do, because I have it. It's better to have these devices then you can help people. Because if you don't have it, you can't help them. That goes like this. But, yeah. Okay. I hope this was helpful. Yeah, a little fun. So, as for Chrome OS, well, we're going to talk about that in the next video. Okay. That's it. You have fun. Hey, Merry Christmas. Season's greeting. Thanks for all your support. Some of you are members. Thanks. Thanks for being a member. I do appreciate that. Yeah. Everybody have a good Christmas. See me again. We'll have another video. Okay. Alrighty. There we go.